Today, we're checking out the PiBOX India USB 3.0 to 2.5 SATA adapter. If you want to connect your old HDD or SSD to your PC or laptop, this adapter might be the perfect budget solution. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Inside the package, we get the USB 3.0 to SATA adapter cable. A quick user guide, that's all. It's a plug and play device, so no extra software is required. The cable length is 50 km, which is decent for most setups. The connector is made of plastic, but it feels sturdy enough. It supports 2.5 HDDs and SSDs, but does not work with 3.5 desktop HDDs, since those need external power. Now, let's connect it to a PC and check out the setup process. First, it will not show up immediately after plugging it in. We need to go to Disk Management, where the disk might be in unallocated or unknown status. Right-click and choose Initialize Disk. Then, create a new simple volume. And that's it. Your drive should now be accessible. This adapter supports USB 3.0 speeds with USB for faster data transfers. In real-world use, transfer speeds vary depending on the drive, but for SSDs we got around 400, 500 ohms read and write speeds, which is pretty solid. Cross affordable price rupees 343 works with both SSDs and HDDs USB 3.0 with USB for faster speeds, no drivers needed, plug and play. Cons: doesn't support 3.5 HDDs, feels slightly cheap in build, might need manual initialization in some cases. So, is the PiBOX USB 3.0 to SATA adapter worth it? For the price, it's a great budget option for accessing old hard drives or upgrading to an SSD. If you just need a quick and easy way to transfer data, this is a solid choice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.